Okay, so this is my current situation here. So I have like all my palettes just as organized as I can get them with what I have. So I did buy this clear plastic thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has slots in there. So I bought this at, I think I got it at, where did I get? The Container Store. And then, like those are just there. And then, so that's one drawer. Then the other drawer is down here. It has my bigger palettes, all my Morphe palettes back there. So nothing's like organized, just as best as I can get it. But with everything just being in the drawer in here, just on top of each other and kind of like, I don't know, you tend to forget what palettes you have. And then you can't really, use them. Then I also have some palettes here. So like I have like my gold, my Jeffree Star, electric palette, just some there that I have. So I have those two drawers full of palettes, and I have another stash right here. So I have my blood sugar and most of my Anastasia palettes right there. So those are those there. So like as you can see, I have them pretty much everywhere, just as organized as I can get them. And this is just like a letter holder that I have. So yeah, so these are my Anastasia ones. And then I still have another thing on my nightstand. So this is another one that I got from the Container Store, and it just it's, I think, of like a folder holder kind of thing. That rhymed. But so I have all my other palettes here. So I have tons and tons of palettes, and they're kind of everywhere. So like I just reach for whatever is there, honestly. So like half of these palettes, like I haven't even touched. Like I haven't even taken these out of the box. Like I've used this one once. No, this one once. I haven't touched this one. I haven't touched any of them. And it's just because they're like on the other side of my room. It's kind of over it. So I was like, well, what can I find, that can hold pretty much all of my palettes in one spot and be organized where I can see them. Okay, so this is one of the pieces that I got. So as you can see, it's like a silver and it's like sparkly. It's really, really pretty. Like when you see it without seeing it on camera, I guess. But this is what it looks like. And this is one piece, and it's meant to fit the whole drawer. So I have this piece here, and then I have this piece here. So you can put them together and basically it takes up like the whole IKEA drawer. These are meant specifically for IKEA drawers or anything that's the size of it. So as you can see, it fits perfectly, and I just have like very minimal space back there, maybe like that big. So as you can see, like you have rows and rows and rows of space for your palettes. So I can already tell that this is going to be so much better. So right now I'm debating. I'm going to try to fix it as best as I can. I don't know if I want to leave it like this or if I want to just do half of it. Maybe just this here and then add little palettes back there, or and then put this one here, snacks, put this one here in the other drawer, and then fit palettes behind it, or still use the other acrylic that I have, which is this here. So I'm gonna try to tweak it the best that I can, because I don't know if I want to keep this one in this drawer and then just use the clear acrylic one there. But I want to kind of put most of my palettes in the IKEA drawers. So I'm going to see what I can do best, and then I will give you guys an update as soon as I'm done deciding on what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is the end result. So basically it took me about 2 hours maybe to kind of decide where I wanted to put everything. So I still ended up with one full like acrylic case thing full of palettes. So that's what I have there. Just a couple of the glow kits. What is that? Dose of Colors, Bobbi Brown, and some NARS palettes there. So that's what was left over, what I couldn't fit into the drawers. So, and then here really quick, because I get a lot of questions like how do I organize my stuff. I have an old video on there. It's complete, my vanity's completely different than the one that I had in the last video that I did. So if you guys want to see an updated video, just let me know. I will be more than happy to film that. Okay, so in the first drawer, it's the same thing. I have all my blushes in there. Well, some of my blushes, mainly the ones that are still in the pots. And then I have in here, I have pretty much all of my highlighters. So you can see I have different types. Bomb, bomb, haven't tried you, bomb, and freaking bomb. And then I have the Rihanna ones down here. Oh my god, guys, real quick, I know off topic, so I just have to show you really quick. But like, I mean, it is so pretty. This color right here by my pinky is freaking bomb. Like, I don't think the light is doing any justice, but bomb, bomb, bomb. Okay. In here I have pretty much like all of my powders, primers, some of my primers, and then of course my Desi and Katie collection here. And then I have some Pat McGrath lippies in there. And one bronzer back there. It's the only place it would fit, so. And this here is my lash drawer. So I have lashes. I have pretty much every brand you can possibly think of. House of Lashes, Eyelure, Ardell, some more Eyelure. These are True or False lashes, Cocoa lashes. I just got these, the Bombshell. Look at how pretty these are. Like the packaging and the lashes, like drama. And then some more House of Lashes, some Huda Beauty. I have some random like dollar store lashes, and then some other Lily lashes. So this here is my lashed out drawer. And then down here I have pretty much all of my skincare. So I have some YSL primers, my Drunk Elephant regimen down there. So some dewdrops. I have my Bum Bum cream. Oh my god. If y'all haven't smelled that, it smells freaking phenomenal. I love it. And then this is the best lip freaking gloss that you can buy. It's by Kopari. And it smells good too. And then I have the Leandra one down here. I think that's the name of it. So this is basically just my skincare drawer. Okay, so now to the part where we're pretty much waiting for, the drawers. Guys, I love the way it turned out. I don't think that it could have turned out better. So this is my first drawer here. So all of my Dose of colors, my Kiss Me, Urban Decay glosses, they are so bomb. And then I just have some leftover, I have extras of those, the Fairy Tears and the Unicorn Tears. And then this here is my shadows. So any like loose pigments and little pots and stuff like that. And then back there I have like all my Wet n Wild, my little, the Balm ones, some NARS. And then, so this is one of the drawers. So I went ahead and organized all of my palettes. So you can see they're my Anastasia, Too Faced, some more Anastasia. And then back here, I put all of my basically like single depotted shadows and my Morphe palettes back there. Since I don't really reach for them that often. When I do, I can just go ahead and take them out. But those are back there. And then over here, I just have a bronzer, another bronzer. I have my two MAC palettes here. And then all of my Hudas. I think those are all of the ones that there is. So I have those there, and they fit perfectly right next to these palettes here. And then I have my Tarte ones back there. So those are the finger foils. Those are the finger foils, and then the one in the back is blushes, I believe. And then the highlighter from Too Faced, the Peach Collection. And then the drawer here is like all of my palettes pretty much, like my main squeeze palette. So I have my contour palettes, so like my Kat Von D, my Park Avenue Princess. I have a Lorac palette here, Beauty Killer here, and then these are my Pat McGrath palettes. Another one's over here. My Kat Von D palette, Violet Voss, Kat Von D, Huda Beauty, Tarte, and then my Kathleen Lights palette, my Cali contour palette, and then the Just Peachy, and then the what is the white peach. So I have my Tarte wheels there, and then my Tartelette and Bloom palette, and that other one there, and then just my mini little palettes here. So that's that drawer. Doesn't it look bomb? Like just these freaking, and this is using those organizers. And then the last drawer is this one here. So I pretty much just had the leftover palettes that I can fit into this basket. They're kind of my newer palettes, so I put them here. So as you can see, and then I just have some extra stuff. My contact solution, and then of course my Mario Badescu, and then just some leftover palettes in the back also that I never reach for. So I went ahead and put them back there. But that's pretty much my drawers here on this side. So like I said, oh, and then it came with this cute little lipstick. Isn't it cute? So basically, I'm gonna link her information down below. So if you're interested in them, you can definitely go ahead and go to her page and see what she offers. And she has tons of videos of people that have the drawers that, you know, can go, they'll show you their tours. So yes, definitely, I think they're a must. It made a huge difference in my collection, the way it's set up and space wise. You guys have no idea, like I'm so happy with them. And I'm definitely gonna be ordering more for my compacts and my lashes and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys want to see anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And again, thank you for watching. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And we have tons of new stuff in the works. Tons of videos coming your way. So be ready. But seriously, it would mean the world to me if you please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below, especially if you're new. That way I can say hey. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.